In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a search bar to your Odoo website step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Having a search bar on your website makes it much easier for visitors to find products, pages, or information quickly, and it can significantly improve user experience and conversions. This tutorial works with the Odoo website builder and does not require any coding. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo and website tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to your Odoo website. For this example, I'm using the Odoo demo website, but the steps are exactly the same for your own site. Once your website loads, make sure you are logged in with an account that has website editing permissions. You should see the website homepage in front of you. From here, look toward the top of the page and click on the Edit button. This will switch your website into edit mode and allow you to customize different elements on the page. Once you are in edit mode, you'll notice the left-hand panel open up with different building blocks and customization options. This is where all the magic happens. Now to add a search bar, look through the available blocks and website elements. Depending on your Odoo version and theme, the search feature may already be available in the header or as a block you can drag and drop. If your theme supports it, you can enable the search bar directly in the header settings. Click on the header section of your website, then look for customization options related to navigation or search. Toggle the search option on, and you should immediately see a search icon or search field appear in your website header. If your theme does not show a search option in the header, don't worry, you can still add a search bar by using a search block. From the left panel, scroll through the blocks and look for a search or input-related block. Drag and drop the search block into the area of the page where you want the search bar to appear, such as the top section or just below the header. Once the search bar is placed, you can customize it by clicking on it. You'll be able to adjust alignment, size, and sometimes even placeholder text, depending on your theme. Take a moment to position it properly so it looks clean and professional. After you're happy with how the search bar looks, it's time to save your changes. Click the Save button at the top right of the page. Your website will now update with the new search functionality live for visitors. To test it, exit edit mode and try searching for a product, page, or keyword that exists on your website. If results appear, then your search bar is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully added a search bar to your Odoo website in just a few minutes without writing any code. This small feature can make a big difference in how users interact with your site. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more Odoo tutorials, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to see another Odoo feature explained. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.